I'm going to show you how to make faceless YouTube videos using 100% AI. Now, I have personally built an online business using YouTube and it allowed me to quit my 9-to-5 job. Now, back when I started, I had no way of creating these faceless videos because there was no AI or this faceless AI software that I'm going to show you today. So what I'm going to show you in this video is not only how to actually make the videos, more importantly, I want to show you how you can find topics that are already trending, already going viral, how to recreate them using AI. Because at the end of the day, if you don't have a good strategy paired with an amazing tool, you're not going to see the results that you want. All right, so I'm going to be showing you how to do this using Syllaby. Now, I'm going to leave a link to get access to Syllaby down below in the description. But more importantly, when you get Syllaby through my affiliate link, you actually get $4,000 in bonuses. I explain that all in the document down below. Or if you want to see how to get my bonuses, you can look at this bonus video right here. All right, so I'm going to show you how to actually create these videos using AI. Now, I'm not going to go through every single part of what Syllaby does because I have a full 30-minute tutorial video. This is just going to be a simple how to create YouTube videos using this software. Now, the first thing you want to do is once you have an account, you're going to want to go to create video and click on faceless video. All right, and then we're going to go through the process. Now, of course, I'm going to show you in just a little bit how to actually find these trending and viral videos. So stick with me. Okay, so number one is we got to choose a visual. Okay, so this is the first step here. Now we have different visuals. We have like an AI visual. We have a B-roll visual. So basically it'll get like background type videos. And then we have a video vault. So there's already these pre-done videos that you can use. I really like the AI visuals because the software will actually go and create these videos or these visuals based on the script that you give it. Okay, I've been doing this for my faceless YouTube channel. Is this black and white? I just been liking that. I think it looks really cool, but obviously choose whatever you want. Next thing you want to do is you want to schedule a post. Okay, so in this example, I'm actually going to do a YouTube video. So I'm simply just going to go on YouTube and Facebook because I believe TikTok and Instagram don't really work for like a long form video. So I'm not going to choose these platforms. One thing that I do like to do is I like to have this on because this will actually generate tags and a title for you. Okay, and then publishing, we're going to do publish now. You can also schedule this out if you'd like. Okay, I'm going to save that. Number 3 is we're going to go to video options. Okay, now this is where you tell it, you know, this is the voice actor that I want. So you can pick and choose, you know, a woman or a man or a British accent, whatever you want, right? So you choose the voice actor. You can choose the subtitle style right here. So I'll typically go with like a bright pink color typically, but it changes, right? So I'm going to stick with that for now. And then right here, this is important. Okay, so in my other tutorials, I showed you how to make more shorts or reels, but in this case, I'm going to show you, we're going to do a 5 to 10 minute video. Okay, so I'm going to do a full on YouTube video with the full script. Okay, now number 4, this is where I teach people a little bit different strategy. Now you can use Syllaby's AI script assistant. What I like to do is I like to do a custom script. Okay, I'm going to show you a really cool method that's going to help you create really cool YouTube videos. Okay, so this is what I like to do. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go to YouTube, and before you even start looking at videos, you're going to need this extension here. It's completely free. You'll see it's called YouTube Summary. Okay, and you can find this by simply going to Google, simply type in YouTube Summary extension, and then basically you add it to your Chrome extension. Okay, so you can simply add it right here. Now that you have YouTube Summary, and you'll see this at the top right, you'll see this little icon right here. Once you have this icon, now we can go to YouTube. Okay, and you're gonna love this. This is gonna be really cool. So the reason why I want to go to YouTube is because I want to find something that is already trending, already going viral. Okay, now again, whatever niche you choose, this will work in any niche. Okay, I'm in the make money online niche. That's what my faceless channel is about. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put just the simple title, make money from home. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to find a hot title that's getting lots of views, lots of subscribers, you know, something that's trending, right? So you can see all of these videos here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one of the top videos and we're going to model it. Okay, so with that Chrome extension, you'll see this little icon here. Now that icon, that's the YouTube summarizer. Okay, so what it's going to do, it's going to summarize the whole video. But what we want to do is we want to use this special prompt. Okay, so this is what I'm going to ask ChatGPT. Okay, so you do have to have ChatGPT for this, and it's free. So what I'm going to ask is, I am going to use this script to create a faceless AI video using this AI software called Syllaby, which takes the script and makes an AI video. Can you take the idea from this video and write a unique script so I can feed it into the software? Make sure you write it in paragraph form. So once it summarizes it, we're going to ask it that prompt. And if you want that copy and paste prompt, I'm also going to leave it down in the description. That way you can take that exact same prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. All right, so now we're going to ask it, and now it's going to give us an entire script that we can now feed into the Syllaby AI software. So you'll see in just a few moments, we have an entire script. Now what we can do is I'm going to go ahead and just copy what it gives us. It looks a little bit short. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back, and remember, inside of here, we're going to go to custom script, and we're going to see how long this is. So it's 4 minutes and 22 seconds. So not that bad. I typically like to go maybe 7-8 minutes. That's not horrible, right? So I think it'd be a great video, nice and short, straight to the point, but it still gives a ton of value. Okay, so that's what I would do here. Is I would go ahead and feed the script. Now, of course, you can go back to ChatGPT and tell it to make it longer, add certain things, however you want to make it, right? But for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to leave it as is, and I'm actually going to create this video. That way you can see it. So advanced options is the next step. Now here you can choose different background music or sound effects, or how you want the visuals to look. I'm not too worried about it. I trust the AI software. And then simply what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hit generate video. So I'm going to move my face here, and at the bottom right where it says generate video, it's now going to create the video and automatically post to my YouTube channel. Now it'll typically take between 5 and 15 minutes to go and create, but once it's done, it's going to automatically post to your YouTube channel or wherever you asked it to be post. Okay, now the only thing I would do now is actually go and create a thumbnail. Okay, so I'm going to go to thumbnail generator using Syllaby, and I want to tell it exactly what type of video that I want to create. Now what I'm going to do to create a thumbnail is simply give it the title. Now you can give it more details, but for the simplicity of this video, I just want to give it a title, and I'm going to go ahead and create this thumbnail here. Now once this thumbnail is created, as you can see on the bottom, it gives us a few different options. We can download this and now use it for YouTube, and these are beautiful, eye-catching thumbnails that are going to help you actually get clicks and people to actually watch your video. All right, so now that the video is officially uploaded, what I'm gonna do here is you can simply upload your thumbnail right here. Okay, so you can simply download it, upload it, and you're good to go. Now you can go ahead and add your, your affiliate links here, so whatever you're selling. But one thing that Syllaby doesn't do yet is it doesn't add tags. Okay, so if I scroll down, I want to go ahead and add some tags here. Okay, now it added a few here, but I want to add some more. Okay, I want to fill this up. That way YouTube can show our video to more and more people. All right, so I got some tags here. Basically all I did was I asked ChatGPT. I said, give me YouTube tags, 500 characters by comma. I went ahead and copied that, and that's how I got these tags here. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you're going to be creating some faceless AI YouTube videos. Just say AI freedom down below. Now real quick, I just want to walk you through some of the bonuses that I have. Again, I mentioned that I have $4,000 in bonuses just for using and getting Syllaby. Okay, just because I know that this software can change your life. It can help you build a brand and start making money. Okay, I'm going to leave this link down below, and of course if you get Syllaby through my link, you're going to get access to all these bonuses here. Okay, bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how to get monetized on YouTube in 2 to 3 weeks guaranteed. Bonus number 2, you get 2,700 faceless AI ideas. These are plug and play that you can just simply add into the software. Bonus number 3, you get access to my $2,000 YouTube course. Bonus number 4, I give you my white label course, funnels, and pre-written emails to sell and give away as your own. And bonus number 5, if you're one of my affiliates, you can go ahead and get upgraded to 70% commissions. Of course, if you're not, you can always sign up here for free. And then if you get my bonus, we're going to upgrade you just because because you are using this software. Now, if you want the full in-depth bonus video, make sure to check this video out right here. But I hope you take advantage of this software and let me know if you have any questions. We'll see you on the next video, and God bless.